Okay friends, to get started on this tailgate handle, let's go ahead and lower this. Now we're going to remove all of our mounting bolts using a Torx bit. Let's grab onto this panel and get it out of the way. Now that that's out of the way, let's continue on by removing the rest of our mounting screws here. Get this out of the way. Now that that's out of the way, we need to continue on by releasing these clips right here. Just come underneath the edge with a nice flat screwdriver and pop it right up. That's going to release this bar right there, and do the same to this one. Moving along, you're going to see two mounting nuts. Go ahead and remove the pair of those. Lift up on this. And now let's go ahead and get this handle out of here. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new handle. Let's come in from the outside. I'm going to swoop it in just like this, curve it, there we are. Now let's put on this little bracket here, and of course our mounting nuts. I like to spray this pivot point with a little bit of penetrant so it flows nice and easy. Now let's move along to putting on the rods. Just kind of line them up in there, lock it in, do the same to the other one. Perfect. Let's get our panels back on here. Let's get this cover back on here. We're going to start in all of our mounting bolts and then we'll snug them up. Let's snug all these up now. Okay, one last test. Perfect.